95% of the vitamin C on the market is from China. Not good. When buying vitamin C, your research is critical to finding something that is of high quality, or you're just wasting your money. I used to buy Viva Vitamin C, and until they were either bought out or changed their formula, or wherever they're getting their raw materials, it's no longer the same. You can tell if you're getting a good vitamin C by how your gums are acting. If you have bleeding gums, your vitamin C is less than desirable and should be pitched into the garbage. I like this particular vitamin C because my gums no longer bleed in one area. My dental hygienist said I'd need some deep cleaning in if I didn't get in there more diligently with my floss, which I am on it every night without fail and don't collect tartar. I know, I am lucky.